Let's move on to the 15th question. In case of D-beam or in thin webbed RCC members, the first crack formed is option A, flexural crack, option B, diagonal crack due to compression, option C, diagonal crack due to tension, option D, shear crack. Here, in thin web members, common crack will be due to diagonal tension due to shear in web. So, option C is the correct answer. 16th question. The probability of failure implied in limit state design is of the order of. The answer is 0.001. The probability of failure in limit state method is 10 raised to minus 2. So, the option is A. 17th question. Which of the following deformations are important in case of D-beams when compared to flexural alone? Here, in D-beam, torsion develops due to lateral buckling. Therefore, torsional shear stress plays an important role. So, the answer will be option D. 18th question. What should be the minimum grade of reinforced concrete in and around sea coast construction? So, in coastal region, minimum grade of concrete must be M30. So, the option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. M30. 19th question. What is the value of flexural strength of M25 concrete? Flexural strength of M25 concrete is about 0.7 root FCK. So 0.7 root 25 is the answer. So the answer is option B, 3.5. Then 20th question. As per IS 456-2000, which one of the following correctly expresses the modulus of elasticity of concrete? The modulus of elasticity of concrete is 5000 root FCK. So option C is the correct option. Then moving on to 21st question. Characteristic strength of M20 concrete is 20 megapascal. What is the number of cubes having 28 days compressive strength greater than 20 megapascal out of 100 cubes made with this concrete? Here, when 95% of the cubes exceed the required strength, then the corresponding strength is called characteristic strength. So, option B, 95 is the correct answer. So, according to definition. Moving on to 22. As per Cordell provisions, in two-way slabs, the minimum mild steel reinforcement to be provided in the edge strip is option A, on the basis of minimum bending moment, B, half of the area of steel provided in the middle of strip in the shorter span, C, half of the area of steel provided in the middle of the strip in the longer span, D, 0.15% of the cross-sectional area of concrete. Here, option D, minimum reinforcement using mild steel is 0.15% of your cross-sectional area. 23rd. Which one of the following predicts the effective modulus of elasticity of concrete? Option A, EC by 1 plus theta. Option B, EC by 1 plus 2 theta. C, EC by 1 plus 3 theta. D, EC by 1 plus 5 theta. Where EC is the short-term elastic modulus. Short-term elastic modulus is 5000 root FCK and theta is the ultimate creep coefficient. So, option A is correct, EC by 1 plus theta, according to IS 456-2000. Moving on to 24th question. The cover of longitudinal reinforcing bar in B subjected to sea spray should not be less than which one of the following. So, according to coastal region, according to guidelines in coastal regions, nominal cover for RCC members subjected to sea water spray should be 70 millimeter. So option B is correct. 25. At what stress does the first flexible crack appear in RCC beams made of 25 grade concrete and 25 grade concrete? So first crack occurs at a stress which is more than the rupture strength, which is 0.7 to FCQ. So we must choose a value greater than 0.7 to FCQ. So for 125, the value is 3.5 megapascal. So the correct option here is option B. 26. What is the adoptable maximum spacing between vertical strips in an RCC beam of rectangular cross section having an effective depth of 300 mm? Here, as per IS 456-2000, maximum spacing between vertical stirrups in an RC beam of effective depth D is 300 mm or should not be greater than 0.75 D, which is 0.75 into 300, 225, and also it should not be greater than 300 millimeter. So of these minimum must be used. So minimum of 300 or 225 should be used here. So correct option is option D, 225 millimeter. 27. The maximum percentage of moment redistribution allowed in RCC beams. Here, answer 30% is the correct value. 28. Modulus of elasticity of concrete is increased with option A, higher water cement ratio, B, shorter curing period, C, lesser vibration, D, increase in age. So, short-term modulus of elasticity of concrete is 5000 root FCK. Long-term modulus of elasticity is AC by 1 plus theta, where theta is the free coefficient, which decreases with age of concrete to 1 year. So ECE increases with age up to 1 year. So the option is B, increases in age. 29. Which of the following statements refer to correct purposes as regards testing of concrete by ultrasonic pulse velocity method? First one, to assess the quality of concrete in situ. Second one, to determine the dynamic modulus of elasticity of concrete. 3, to locate the presence of cracks in it. Here the correct answer is D. All these are correct. Moving to the 13th question. Minimum clear cover to the main steel bars in slab, beam, column and footing respectively are, which is already asked in previous year questions. So the option is B. That is for slab 20 mm and for beam 25 mm, for column 40 mm and for footing 50 mm. 31. Grade of steel is designated as Fe415 if option A, upper yield stress of this steel is 415 Newton per millimeter square. The ultimate stress of the steel is 415 Newton per millimeter square. C, the partial safety factor is 1.15. D, the characteristic strength is 415 Newton per millimeter square. Here, the correct answer is option D. The characteristic strength is 415 Newton per millimeter square. So with this, we are temporarily stopping the 8 lecture series here. We will take simply reinforced sections. The questions which is asked in singly reinforced sections in next video. Thank you.